Right, we're back. Back again.
As you'll have seen, start this video was something a bit different. It was a silent brew dedicated to my father-in-law, who sadly passed away, but he was a big drinker when he came up to mine at the Homebrew. He was a good lad, was he?
He loved it. He was like a fish. Come round and it'd half of it would be gone. That's why we can brew so much. But now, unfortunately, he's gone.
Yeah.
We have to drink it.
I know, we've got a backlog now, haven't we?
I know, yeah. So if anybody wants to step up and help us drink half of his ale, then you're welcome to.
So this is a Manderina Baveria and Nectaron IPA pale.
Yeah.
Don't really know, we just went for it, didn't we? Just come up with a recipe and went for it. And the aim was just to get like a really orangey, sort of citrusy, fruity beer, weren't we? But
yeah. Used
dark
Mango Madness from WHC.
Yeah, used that as yeast, fermented it at 38 degrees, and it went like the absolute clappers.
Yeah.
And it went really quick.
Yeah.
So I'd say certainly orange, isn't it?
It does. It's almost blood orange.
It is, yeah. It's like the little juicy oranges in it.
Yeah, that's
blood orangey.
That's what I'm almost getting from it. It's almost like blood orange, bitter orange kind of vibe, like the peel.
It's not a sweet orange, is it?
It's not a sweet orange. No. It's like the orange peel, like the outside. Yeah. Is that what you're getting, Aaron?
Very zesty.
Yeah.
And it
zesty orange.
fades off in the aftertaste.
Yeah.
It's definitely at the front of your mouth.
Yeah.
And then, but you get to the back and it doesn't. It's a weird one, isn't it?
I like it though, it's different, isn't it?
Yeah, it's definitely different. I'm not sure how keen I am on Kvike still.
No.
Every single strain I've used with Kvike, I've always kind of been like,
So we tried it, 2 weeks ago, and it was very, almost farmhousey, wasn't it? If you know what we mean. It was like...
It was like Saison.
Yeah, it was. But that seems to have died out a little bit with it sitting a little bit longer.
That was definitely yeast getting sucked up, whether it's in the dip tube or the keg or whatever. So yeah, there was like a Saison-y kind of vibe to it, but now the funk's gone. But now it's almost like a blood orange IPA or a bit of peel. It is interesting.
Have you ever had blood orange San Pellegrino?
Yes.
But like the old recipe before they took all the sugar out of it?
No.
No, it's almost like that blood orangey sort of.
Like
it reminds me of Thatcher's blood orange cider.
Does it? But obviously in beer form, not in cider, not sweet. Like a dry Thatcher's blood orange.
It is dry, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely fermented out dry.
Yeah.
It's really nice though.
What do you think about the hops? So this was a straight split. It was same dosage of Nectaron and Manderina Baveria. Yes, the Nectaron were type 45, but it was technically the same dosage, but I'm not really getting any Nectaron. I'm just getting Manderina Bavaria.
Yeah. It's weird.
It's weird.
Yeah.
Normally Nectaron every beer we've done is just slapped.
Yeah. It just blow up in your face, but this is almost just Manderina Bavaria.
Yeah, it is. I don't know if that's type 45, it's the first time we've used them or what, I don't know.
Whatever it is, Mandarina Bavaria is sitting there and it's almost out-muscled Nectaron out of the way, whereas 100%. Normally Nectaron is the superior power.
Yeah.
Weird.
So, I'm pleased with it.
Yeah.
I probably wouldn't say it's a beer that I could have 4 or 5 of. No. I feel like I'd get heartburn.
No. This is like a ringer you throw in.
Yeah.
So you've got your main beers on tap and you just go, well, I've got this weird beer.
Yeah. Let's have a go at that.
Let's have a go at that, have a weird on that, and then I go, is that like bitter orange ale? And then you go,
But keg will get drunk, I'm happy with that.
Yeah. I'd probably swap out, I'd probably make it a little bit lighter.
Yeah.
I think maybe it's a little bit too amber.
Yeah, I went for tried to go for an orangey colour, but it's turned out a bit darker. But in the light, it is orange.
Yeah. And maybe trim the colour a little bit, and maybe just stick to Nectaron.
Yeah.
Like we said, we did Styrian Dragon the other way, the Mandarina Bavaria, and it just seems like each hop we're trying, we're just kind of going, nah. We try with Styrian Dragon, it's just like, nah.
I think if you want anything orange though, that is the hop. Like if you want
if
pure
orange,
if
you like a blood orange, bitter orange kind of vibe, definitely. But if you want zingy orange, I'd say Nectaron.
Yeah. So if someone gave me that and said, I'd say there was orange peel in it.
Yeah.
Like, in the bottle.
So if anybody's doing future orange brews, use Mandarina Bavaria if you got instead of orange peel.
Really
or
good.
whatever.
We're a little bit late to the party, aren't we? Doing a video on it. It's been out for
Bloody hell,
ages, but yeah.
Been going a while, hasn't it? But cool experiment.
It was. So
Definitely weird.
yeah. We'll leave it there. Thanks so much for watching. Website's here. We got a Facebook group, Tanker Brew in the group. Feel free to join. We're having a right laugh in there. So if you do like the video, plenty more to come. Please like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.